Good morning.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear nonsense. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning. Okay, I don't know at what time you guys are watching this, but it's morning right now for me. So yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya and I'm going to vlog today because it's a special day. It's my sister's birthday. She's turning 11 today and I decided to vlog this because you know YouTube पे vlog करना या फिर YouTube पे कोई भी एक वीडियो अपलोड करना is a lifetime memory. So I wanted to store this day. I wanted to preserve this day forever. So that is why I decided to vlog today. So today is 19th of August and it's my sister's birthday. So it's gonna be a fun day. I'm gonna make sure that even though we can't go outside, हर साल की तरह इस साल का birthday भी उसका बहुत अच्छा जाए.
So yeah.
Right now, it is 11:30. I'm done with my breakfast and everything. But the plan for today is just eating food, having fun, and that's it. So let's meet you guys with the birthday girl when she comes and gets ready for her day. Okay, bye. Hi guys, I just got all ready and here we have our birthday girl who's not at all ready. I told her to get ready and I told her ki let me do your makeup and wear good sort of clothes, but she was not at all interested. She chose comfort over anything else on her birthday and that's really a good thing actually. So yeah, that's it. We have our birthday girl. And how do you feel, Miss Birthday Girl?
I feel really nice because my birthday is here and I'm really excited for wearing my birthday dress.
Okay, good. So right now I'm having छोटा सा काम बाहर, so I'm just gonna go and get done with that thing. And yes, let me just show you guys what am I wearing. Wait, I'll show you in detail properly. And by the way,
This is the top I think everyone owns because ये almost सबके पास है, मैंने देखा है, and also ये मैंने ऐसे कोई मार्केट में से खरीदा था. So
I'm just wearing a t-shirt and pants and that's it, and I'll meet you guys when on the way. Okay, bye. Okay, so hi, I did not tell you guys at home where am I going is because I did not wanted Anjali to know about it. By the way, I'm going to a shop जहाँ पे birthday का सब decoration मिलता है. So I wanted to take decoration का सामान because मुझे अच्छा सा कुछ करना था decoration. That's why. So that is it. I'll just come fast and then I'll catch you guys. Let's go. The gate is closed, but let's just enter from here. Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm in my society and I'm heading home. Whatever I wanted to take, I just got it from the same shop. मुझे यहाँ वहाँ ज़्यादा घूमना नहीं पड़ा. So let's just go and decorate and make her happy. Okay, let's go. Okay, fine. I'm back home and I'll show you what. I'll show you what all things I got. And here's the birthday girl. So let's start. What I brought first is like. Wait, let me. I brought this black balloons and pink balloons because I wanted to make like black and pink sort of decoration. And here are the 1 ka balloons, which means 11. Now here I brought her a bracelet because she was not having anything to wear on her birthday dress, and the uttermost favorite thing of her and mine is this tiara sorted crown. Yeah, this is like, it looks something like this. Yeah, it looks something like this. So yeah, this is what all I brought, and now let's just quickly go and decorate the house. Okay, so I'm thinking to decorate this wall here, and yeah, but before that we need to blow balloons, so let's do that. Like blowing balloons, I swear. Okay, so we are done with our decoration. I don't know how it is. Just comment down below and tell me how it is.
Baby sister, you have made all my days brighter since the day you were born. You are strong, even on the days you think you are not, and you can handle anything. No matter what you do or where you go, you will always be successful because you have the drive to achieve the things you want. You are creative. You have a mind different from everyone else, and I know you will use that mind to create great things. But I need to remind you of the troubles you will face on your journey of life. People will be mean, jealous, and insulting, but you can't let them destroy your dreams. Never be rude to anyone, and always be who you are, and never ever forget your roots. I love you a lot and I'm proud of you. We all are proud of you. Happy birthday, princess.